I've been sent for review what's called tBeacon. Now, I know you've all seen my other videos of my own DIY beacon, which does work very, very well. The chap who developed and actually, I suppose, invented these things, got in touch with me and said, "Do you want to do a review on mine?" So I said, "Yeah." So looking at the spec and everything else, that is crap. Really is crap. Anyway, this is exactly how I got it. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'll just open it up now. In the package you get the beacon, you get some stickers, interface cables. I really don't know yet, I haven't looked at the instructions whatsoever. And some heat shrink. Now, first impressions on this thing, the quality is absolutely superb, absolutely fantastic. The soldering, the assembly, absolutely everything. 60 milliamp single cell battery. It's got a beeper on it, it's got an LED on it, there's another couple of LEDs down, I can't remember where they are now. Oh, there's a couple of LEDs down there. So I've been playing with this thing for a few days now, and when you plug it in, the light comes on to indicate that it's actually charging. Now the software itself is absolutely superb. You can change absolutely everything on it. So what I'll do, I'll try and show you the software now. This is the interface software. The first thing you have to do is plug it in to your FTDI and plug the FTDI into a COM port. Then you load the software, you open the software up, you click on the connect button, and then down at the bottom here it says basically to turn it on. It detects it, it switches into config mode, and we're now connected. Now there's 3 LEDs on here. As you can see, the orange LED is actually a charge indicator. There's a green LED which is just pulsing every second, just to basically say a normal operation. And I've also got a red LED which is to indicate that it's receiving data from, or it's collating data from GPS. But as I haven't got a GPS connected to it and I haven't got one at the minute, it's not. It actually records all its GPS locations onto non-volatile RAM. You can also connect the red and the black off this cable. You can connect those to a 5-volt BEC, and that will actually charge the battery at the same time. So if the power goes, it's still got all the charge in that battery. Now, if you've got a GPS plugged into this, which I haven't, if you've got a GPS plugged into it, when you activate it via your radio, it actually broadcasts the last known GPS coordinates, and then you can put it into any smartphone basically. I think it's GeoCompass for Android, and I think it's iArrow or something like that for the Apple, the iPhone. And also when you activate it via a call, which is, I'll try and do it now. I'm too close, sorry. So, let's turn it off. So when you activate it via a call, it gives you the RSSI. So what you do is you hold this radio basically close to your stomach, and you slowly turn around, keep making calls to it, and it will give you the beacon, the Rssi value. And when you get the lowest RSSI, you know the beacon is directly behind you, so you can actually direct straight to it. And when it's actually within probably about 100 feet, you should be able, you'll be able to hear it, and you'll probably be able to see the beacon, the LED itself. I have actually tested this. I tested it yesterday. I got somebody to drop it in very heavy woodland area, and I found it in less than 10 minutes. Quite literally went straight to it. I even plugged up the speaker so I couldn't hear it, and the LED wasn't visible or whatsoever. And just by testing this with the RSSI, I found it in under 10 minutes. Obviously I had no idea where it was, so I can't fault this thing. So here it is in the final package with the heat shrink on it, and if I turn it on, there you go, happy flashing away. So tomorrow I'm going to see if I can actually test it, because apparently it's going to be nice tomorrow. But this is British weather, so all could change any minute. I'm back at the exact same spot that I tested my own DIY beacon, which I put it down by this tree stump here. I'm in the middle of nowhere, really am. And you can see how dense this woodland is here. So what I've done is I don't know if you can see it, I put a piece of heat shrink on the antenna so as I can give it a fair chance and point the thing upwards. So I'm going to turn it on now. So as you can hear, it beeped and it gave out a signal to say that the battery is at 4.1 volts. So I'm going to leave that up there. Oh shit! And I'm going to go and I'm going to go for a walk. God. As you've just seen, it's rather slippery. Because it's coming winter now, it's autumn. It's not too cold actually, it's about 10 degrees. But everywhere's a bit slippery. So I'm going to walk now to the same point that I did with my own DIY beacon, which is right the way up this hill, over the other side, and then up another bank. So it's probably about half a mile. I am knackered. So I've gone up the hill, over the top, down the other side, and back up the top of this rather bloody steep hill. So what I'm going to do, if I can do this with one hand, yes. Oh my God. I'm not joking of how far I am away from it. I know it's down this way. I'm going to say there's someone coming. I'm a bit closer. That must have been, I don't know, half a mile. Must have been half a mile away. So I'm going to give him another call now. .57. So I'll try and show you this, how you track with these things. So you basically turn the volume up, turn the squelch off, because it just affects, the squelch on these isn't the brilliantest of devices. It takes a while for it to actually kick in. So what you do is you turn your volume up, you key the mic, and when you've keyed the mic, you press the AB button to send out a tone. You put it up to as close to your chest as you can, which basically shields the signal behind you, and then you just turn around like that. And you have to give a 3-second tone. So that says 5-6. If I turn this way, 5-5. 6-8. 7-0. So it's, see, because I've got it in one hand, it's very hard to actually key up and do it, so I can't. You really need it as close to you as you possibly can. I know it's down here, but I can't remember where. Sorry, it's the 3-second. 8-6. Found it. There you go. I really can't fault that thing. That was up that hill, which is about 100, 150, maybe 200 foot rise at 60 degrees. Down the other side, up the other side, I think it's about a 50 foot rise, and about half a mile away through this heavy, dense woodland. Foodland. Oh God. Right, I'm going home now to lick my wounds. I think I've hurt myself, but all in good fun. Yeah, I've still got to come back round here sometime in the winter when all the brackens died off to try and find my quad. Over a grand lost, but hey ho. If I'd have had one of these, I would have had it back by now.